coming to the next point, experiments for several years were conducted by scientists to know what is this all happening, why plants are considered as the energy sources, why plants are considered as universal producers for producing the food material, why these are all happening, has been conducted, has been experimented, for several years. Then what? For the first time, von Helmont identified that not only soil is responsible for photosynthesis, but also it takes carbon dioxide, not only not only soil is responsible, not only air is responsible, but also there are other sources which are involved in photosynthesis. Okay, von Helmont didn't know at the time, he didn't know, but we know now, isn't it? Yes. What are they? Chlorophyll and light. Photosynthesis requires light energy, and chlorophyll is required for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis procedure requires what? Carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and light. Okay, right. It not only requires carbon dioxide from atmosphere, water from the soil, chlorophyll which is present in the plants, but also it requires sunlight. This is nothing but what he proved. But later on we'll see the experiment, what it happened. By the time we have only 3 scientists mentioned in the experiments conducted to know what is photosynthesis, what is the underlying reason for the production of food, why plants are only being able to produce food. Let us see what is the reason behind that one. Okay, let us see what is the reason behind that one later, but let's get into the subject now. That only 3 scientists are mentioned under this category, where von Helmont identified not only carbon dioxide and soil, not only carbon dioxide from atmosphere, water from soil, but also other sources are involved in photosynthesis. Okay, then comes who? Then comes C.B. Van Niel. In the year 1931 coined the simple equation for photosynthesis for the first time. Okay, what did he say? He said that photosynthesis is performed under presence of sunlight, and chlorophyll utilizes light energy, and in presence of chlorophyll it performs photosynthesis, where the procedure converts carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, water from the soil is converted into carbohydrate molecule, water molecule and oxygen molecule. This was first coined by C.B. Van Niel. Where he gave an equation, but it is a simple equation for carbohydrate production or photosynthetic procedure equation. But is it balanced? No, it is not balanced. So only later on to know the balancing nature, where carbons are in one molecule and one atom of carbon, 2 molecules, and this one molecule of oxygen. Altogether LHS has 3 atoms of oxygen But on the right side, when we look after this, altogether, okay, I'm sorry, altogether all the molecules are balanced, but it is not a complete equation for carbohydrate molecule production. Why? Because for photosynthesis it is not a complete equation. Why? Because CH2O is not a starch molecule form or not a glucose molecule form to say, isn't it? Let us take not the complex one, let us take only the simplest one, simplest carbohydrate molecule formation. I mean the equation of the simple molecule of carbohydrate formed will be having C6H12O6. Okay. But the equation has only CH2 molecule. No doubt it determines that it forms a carbohydrate molecule, but the equation doesn't describe the formation of a glucose molecule. So only this equation is not considered for photosynthesis as a balanced equation. So it is considered only as a simple equation, not a balanced equation. So only we have to know what is a balanced equation. Before going to that, this is a simple equation and it is given by C.B. Van Til in the year 1931. Okay, let's get into what is a balanced equation for photosynthesis. Going to the description for balanced equation for photosynthesis, let's see. Robert Hill modified the simple equation for photosynthesis, also known as balanced equation for photosynthesis. Isn't it, children? Yes, right. Robert Hill is the first one who modified the simple equation of the photosynthesis to form a balanced equation. He is the first person to say that is not a balanced one. That equation is only a simple one. It has to be balanced. It has to be given a balanced numericals to form a complete balanced molecular equation. For the first time he said. Okay, right. Next one, balanced equation for photosynthesis. Balanced equation for photosynthesis. What at all might be? How many things it might happen? This is the final equation for photosynthesis. This is the final equation for photosynthesis. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide reacts with 12 molecules of water to form what? 1 molecule of carbohydrate molecule or glucose molecule C6H12O6 plus 6 molecule of oxygen and plus 6 molecules of water, wherein in the presence of light, sunlight and chlorophyll. In presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is very much compulsory. Okay, right, children. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide reacts with 12 molecules of water to form what? A carbohydrate molecule, namely glucose molecule, plus 6 molecules of oxygen plus 6 molecules of water. This is a balanced equation for photosynthesis. Right, very good. Next one, in all at 10th standard there will be about 8 experiments conducted by scientists to know the